Welcome, in front of me is a TCL 32-inch smart TV, and today I will show you how to set up the sleep timer. And to get started, we'll need to go into the settings. From there, scroll down to System, confirm it, select Timer, and then scroll down to Sleep Timer, and select the desired time you want to set before the TV automatically turns off. So whatever you select, confirm it with OK, and automatically starts the countdown, as you can see. So you can simply leave this right now, and after the given time the TV will automatically turn off. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.